In today's video we're going to look at FK or forward kinetics, so stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel, the channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation. And if that is you, welcome, you are at the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. Now today we're going to look at FK. Now if you remember correctly, last week we looked at IK, inverse kinetics. So if you want to go check out that video, I'll put a card right here, so go check it out. And so today we're going to look at FK, which means forward kinetics. So if you remember in my previous video, I referred to inverse as drag motion and forward kinetics, FK, I see it as push motion. So basically drag is everything behind you're moving along, and push is everything in front of it you're moving along. So basically what FK is, the body part that you move, it has an effect on everything in front of it. Okay, so where IK has the body part that you move, it has an effect everything in front of it. So basically that's why it's drag and push. That's how I refer to it. So like I've mentioned last week, I've showed you guys IK, and it's not my preferred method of animation. I don't normally use it. I only use it sometimes, and I showed it in that video. My preferred method is FK, forward kinetic motions. So again today I will look at 2D animation and 3D animation and quickly explain or show how it works. And if this, like I said, this is my preferred method. So here I've got Cartoon Animator 4 open, or Cartoon Animator, and so basically if you remember correctly, if I select left hand, IK is I then just basically move that hand into position. Okay, but it's sometimes, as you can see, it is sometimes a bit difficult to control. Now basically FK is you moving each body part separate. Okay, so let's go to left arm, and now you'll see it moves and everything in front of it moves, but everything before it is not affected. Now I go to forearm. Now see the upper arm is not affected, only the forearm. And now I can go the hand. So nothing before the hand is affected, only the hand is affected. Okay, so that is basically FK explained. So everything before the body part that you're moving is not affected. With IK, everything before the body part you're moving is affected. So for instance, again, let's IK is everything before the body part. I'm moving the hand, but you'll see the forearm and the upper arm is moving. But with FK, that is simply not the case. You'll see it's not the upper arm or shoulder is not moving, and now with the hand, the forearm and arm isn't moving. So that is a quick example of FK. So let's go quickly to iClone, which is a 3D animation. Now exactly the same. Okay, so if you remember correctly, if I click the hand, and now basically the hand, everything in front of it is affected. Let's undo. But now how do I work with this? Okay, so now let's go to upper arm, and now I can rotate, and you'll see nothing in front of that arm is affected. Let's go to the forearm. Now nothing before the forearm is affected. And now let's go to the hand, and nothing before the hand is affected. Okay, so basically that is so there is waving. So that is the difference between IK and FK. Now the reason I love to use FK, you have a little bit more of control. So if you do IK, let me give you a quick example. When you use IK, you'll normally use FK to fine tune. Okay, so let's quickly undo everything. There you go. And let's again let this character sit down. So we pull him down. Okay, so now I've got my character basically sitting down. But now I can use FK to fine tune it. So let's select that arm or that leg, and now I can just maybe let his select the leg. You know, let his legs just be a little bit apart. I can maybe select his upper body and maybe let him lean forward like so. So I can really fine tune my character. After I've used IK, I can use FK to fine tune the body positions as well. So that is another reason you've got more control with FK, and you will always use FK also to fine tune after you've used IK. So I prefer using FK over IK, but like I've mentioned, sometimes I do use IK. Let me quickly show you. Let's undo everything, and let me show you exactly why I use IK in this instance. Okay, to let the character sit down. Okay, that is so much easier. But if I'm going to use FK to let him sit down, so what's going to happen now? Sorry, undo. Okay, so what's going to happen now? Okay, I'll need to unlock his feet, and so now I need to do that. But now you see, he's not actually sitting on something. Okay, his feet is off the ground, and that is obviously a problem. So now what I have to do is I will have to take his torso, and I'll have to bring him down so that he sits on the on the chair. So as you can see, that was actually quite long. Let's undo everything. Okay, but if I use IK, let's lock his feet. That so much faster. Okay, and then you use FK to basically fine tune it. So that is the difference between IK and FK, and when I normally use IK and why I prefer FK. So I hope all of this makes sense. Now this video again is something that is, if you're new to animation, you probably don't know IK and FK, and I'm actually in the process of filming my beginner's course for animators. So it's a complete course for complete beginners, and in that course I will go into depth with IK and FK and all the other topics relating to animation that you probably as a new animator don't know about. So I'm busy working on that course, so if you want to know when I'm releasing it, make sure you hit that subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload or release a new video. And you'll also, I will let everyone on YouTube, all my subscribers, know when that course is available. It will probably be released end of June or early July. So if you're interested, if you want to learn animation, you've never animated before, that course will be for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. God bless and happy animating.